Investing in real estate has been the #1 vehicle for creating massive wealth for centuries. We've all been told the same story: buy property, collect rent, and build a legacy. But let's be honest, the dream feels like it's dying. Real estate prices are out of control, interest rates are suffocating, and most average people have been completely priced out of the market. It's frustrating, it's exhausting, and it feels like the gate is being locked right in front of us. But what if I told you the gate is still open? You're just looking at the wrong entrance. What if you could own thousands of those exact properties, collect the rent, and expand your net worth without taking on a single dollar of massive debt or dealing with a single tenant? Today, we're breaking down SCHH, Schwab's real estate powerhouse that still gives investors access to consistent real estate income. Part 1. What is SCHH? SCHH stands for the Schwab U.S. REITs ETF. It is a precision-engineered tool designed to track the total return of the Dow Jones U.S. Select REITs Index. Unlike a standard stock fund, SCHH exclusively holds real estate investment trusts, REITs, companies that own and operate income-producing real estate. By law, these companies must pay out at least 90% of their taxable income to shareholders. This means when you buy SCHH, you aren't just betting on a stock price. You are becoming a silent partner in some of the most profitable property portfolios in America. Part 2. Key characteristics. SCHH is known for its rock-bottom expense ratio of just 0.07%. As of this video, it manages a staggering $10 billion in assets, proving it is a primary choice for institutional scale. It pays out quarterly distributions with a yield around the 3% mark. The standout feature is its equity-only focus. It explicitly excludes mortgage REITs, which are often more volatile and risky, giving you a purer exposure to actual physical property. Part 3. Top holdings. SCHH includes some of the world's most critical infrastructure. Its top holdings include giants like Welltower, Prologis, American Tower, Equinix, and Public Storage. These aren't just offices. These are essential business hubs like healthcare, data centers, and industrial logistics. By holding SCHH, you are owning the landlords of the future who collect rent from the world's biggest corporations. Part 4. Performance. Let's look at the numbers. Since inception, SCHH has delivered annual returns of 6.98% and is up 14.85% in the last year alone, significantly outperforming many traditional defensive sectors. Because real estate often moves independently from the broader tech market, it acts as a massive stabilizer. Historically, during periods when inflation is high or the US dollar shifts, SCHH's hard asset backing has made it a favorite for the 1% to protect their purchasing power while still catching massive growth cycles. Part 5. Why invest in SCHH? Investors are loading up on SCHH for some major reasons. First, high-yield cash flow. It provides a consistent stream of income backed by real lease agreements, not just corporate promises. Second, institutional efficiency. You get broad U.S. real estate exposure for a super small fee. It's essentially free institutional management. Third, hard asset protection. Real estate is a finite resource. In an uncertain economy, owning the land is the ultimate smart money insurance policy. Part 6. Real-world example. If you consistently invest $100 every week into SCHH over the next 30 years, and it maintains its historical 6.98% annualized return, your portfolio could grow to over $452,000. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple ETF breakdowns just like this one.